Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my video, and this is my video assignment about visit company on Monday on 6 June 2026. So this PPT I was made from my visit company. This have 6 page, and first I want to start from my journey to this Inet Plus company. This is a little ESP on Kelapa Nunggal, Bogor Regency. So I start running, or not running, I start go from here, Jonggol, with a motorcycle when I borrow from boarding house, Mrs. boarding house. So I start from morning around 6 a.m. with my boarding house friends, and we take time about 2 hours or 2 until 3 hours until we going to until we arrive to Inet Plus ESP. So when we arrive, the staff appreciate and yeah, like and first we go to some and asking one staff, and the staff now we are from Polytechnic DN Bogor student, and there let me and my friends enter to what's that, the room. Yes, and we talk about like where we from and how long this ESP was go here, and how long, how many client and other. So I was summary to this PPT for simple explain to you. Let's go to the PPT. First is network topology. It has BGP router and next OSPF, and then VLAN access. So here first so here we have there have ESP Telkom Indonesia with AS number 7713. This is a external BGP to the Inet Plus router, and this is a core router for BGP. It have MikroTik CCR 2004 1G to 12S plus 2XS, and this core router for eBGP peer, external BGP, and for OSPF ABR. Yes, ABR with router OS versi 7. And down here, second router is a smaller router, more than CCR, because CCR is high-end router and connected by OSPF backbone area. And from this second router, the distribution router with OSPF, and configure inter-VLAN routing for next router. Oh no, switch, yes, I mean switch. So inter-VLAN routing, and next is have to switch MikroTik CRS. This is for access switch, 2 for VLANs. Left is VLAN 20 stack office and VLAN 40 for NOC, and this is for IP address. And right here we have VLAN 30 for hotspot or OS, and VLAN 50 for customer CPE or Wi-Fi. Next we go to next page, and this for device inventory. You can search for the spec if you want, like MikroTik CCR. This is core router or high-end router with 4-core CPU and 4GB RAM, which is that big for a router. And the function is core router, BGP, SPF, and ABR. Next is second router, is smaller, but the CPU core is like same, and RAM capacity is smaller, 1GB, but this is still big for router, medium router. And this for distribution, inter-VLAN routing, yeah. And here 3 is switch, 2 switch with 24 gigabit Ethernet and 2 times SPF slot for I think that for fiber optic, high bandwidth fiber optic. This for trunk and VLAN and access. And this is HAP AC. DC is for yes, this is for IP on West room with dual band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. Yes, and ZPOLT, GPON. This is for customer CP. We see here, yes, this is for VLAN 50. And ZPOLT, I don't know for the optic, but this is for fiber optic for client. Yes. Server NOC, PC cast is a PC is PC i5 Gen 7, and RAM, yes, standard 8GB but with Ubuntu because this is for NOC. And this is for monitoring Zabbix with Graphene. And OPS, this is for backup power when main electric is down, so the router or devices still running. Next, OSPF configuration, and this between CCR and second router. For router ID, you can see here, and OSPF role, ABR, because this is between different area for BGP, and this is for internal router on backbone area. To route both in backbone area, and for network this. And time for that, like usually I distribute BGP default to SPF, yes, like we see in topology. Then in medium router connected to SPF, connected from this router to SPF. And for loopback, you can see here loopback here, yeah. Next we go to BGP configuration. BGP configuration is like detail. BGP version is BGP version 4. Local AX number is 64512. This is self INET goes AX number and router ID, EBGP peer to the Telkom Indonesia ISP, and peer type is external BGP single hop. Yes. This is for prefix when advertised to the Telkom Indonesia. Default route usually 000, keep alive 6 seconds, and divide out, yes, enable, export self, and prefix list, accept. And next we go to next page is VLAN table. From VLAN 10 is management. The subnet is one class B local IP address, class B or class B, yes, class B, and default gateway 1 for management network, and all trunk is uplink. Next is 20 is staff office, class B2. This is for office printer and people who work here. Access port 1 until 8. Next is hotspot OS. This is for to the here access point, which is have class C IP address, and access ID is SSID GOES Wi-Fi. And OC server class local IP address for monitoring with Zabbix and etc. And last is customer CPE with class A IP address for fiber to the home from OLT. Just like that. So the port assignment like this: 1 until 8 VLAN 10, 9 until 16 hotspot IP, port 12 customer, and yeah. So the all port is used the switch port is all used. After we explain this, we back to boarding house on afternoon because we have tired, and I buy food on road. After we arrive around 5 p.m, a little bit to the Maghrib, we arrive boarding house, and yeah, take a rest. So that's a story about my visit company on Monday. Thank you for watching, listening, and your attention. See you in next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.